Hey guys, Tony here. How's everybody doing? So I did say that by latest, Bitcoin was gonna run to 66.5. Is that what I said? We actually just ran right now to 65.6, so about $1,000 more to go. Keep in mind, with all this liquidity going into Bitcoin, you are gonna be seeing, unfortunately, Shiba Inu probably going down. That's why you saw that. That's why you saw that correlation between the Bitcoin drop and Shiba Inu. Sorry, that's why you saw the correlation between Bitcoin rise and Shiba Inu drop. All the liquidity might be getting pulled out of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin running. So I'll give you guys this scenario. If you guys think that Bitcoin is going to keep running, which I think it will, and it's going to keep running higher, every single time that Bitcoin rises, Shiba Inu is going to drop. That's just the way it is. That's just how the liquidity is going to happen. I'm being, that is just what the TA says, right? So if you guys think that Bitcoin is going to keep running, possibly to 75, 84K, higher than that, strongly recommend that you get out of Shiba Inu. If you think that Bitcoin is not going to keep running, or it's not going to be, it's not going to be as high as everybody thinks, then, hold on to Shiba Inu, right? Liquidity is going to go back and forth. Just keep in mind that every single time that Bitcoin runs, Shiba Inu is going to drop. It's a very obvious correlation. It's like 99.9% correlated. I can guarantee you guys that right now. It's just a switch of liquidity. Just telling you guys right now. But yeah, Bitcoin runs to 65, peaks of what? 65.6. And I was thinking that by latest, by Tuesday, I think. Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday, we were gonna see a run, of Bitcoin to 66.5. So we're about $1,000 away, and yeah, not so bad. Forecast is still pretty good, still pretty solid. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.